Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're plugged in from. On this call today, I'm going to be showing you how to create an account on Quo Markets Broker. This is where you get to deposit and, withdraw your trading profits. Okay, you need a broker as a trader. So I'm going to be walking you through on how to create your account, how to, verify, how to fund, and how to connect it to your MetaTrader 5 in order for you to trade. Okay, so let's go straight into it. So you're going to be sent a link, all right? So all you have to do is just click on the link. So once you've clicked the link, it's going to ask you for your details, all right? So all you have to do is just fill in your details, okay? Put in your first name, your last name, date of birth, email, your phone number, select your country, state, postal or zip code, city, and address. And if you're putting the address, make sure your address is in details, okay? So if it is like number 20 Adebayo Dorati Street, Lekki Phase 1, make sure you're writing it in full. Don't just put Lekki Phase 1, put it in full, okay? And then put in your password and then check in all this 3 boxes and then click continue. So I'm going to be doing that now and we're going to continue. All right, guys. So I've just put in all the details and then I'll just check these 3 boxes and then I'll click continue. All right. So it's going to send me a confirmation email. So I'm just going to go to the email right now and then check. All right. This is it right here. So I'm just going to get the number 89659. 85659. Continue. 89659. 89659. All right, registration successful. Good, there we go. So the next thing we want to do now is to verify these accounts, okay? So I'm just going to click verify now, and then I'm going to click upgrade, okay? So click upgrade, and then it's going to take you to the verification page. So as you can see, you're about to submit sensitive data to Quo Markets. If you receive this link from a suspicious source, please close this page and notify us immediately. But you did not, so just continue. So I click continue, and then it's asking me to provide my identity. So I'm going to check this, and then I'm going to click continue. Okay, so I'm going to be using ID card. All right, so I'm just going to put this in very quickly and then we can continue. All right, so I've just submitted my documents and right now it's saying verifying your ID. This may take a few minutes. Please wait while we complete the check. So I'm just waiting for them to verify and then we can move ahead. All right, so as you can see, my profile has been verified. You may now close this page, okay? So the verification process doesn't take long at all. Like in few minutes, you definitely be verified. So let's continue. So I've just gone back, and in order for you to go back to your own page, you just click on the 3 drop-down menu and then you click dashboard. Okay, so this is your dashboard. This is what it looks like. So once you've been verified, your account is going to look like this. And as you can see, you've already been given a demo trading account of $200. This account is the one that you can literally use to like practice how to trade and everything. This is not your money. All right. So if you want to create a live account, you want to deposit real money, you want to start trading to start making real money. So what you need to do is to click on create new. Okay, you click on create new, you choose MetaTrader 5 and then you proceed. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see add account. All right, so you click add account and then you're going to create a live account. So make sure it is on live and not on demo. Okay, we're creating a live account, not a demo account. So if you want to create a demo, you switch here. But if you want to create a live, you switch here. So we'll want a live account. So we're going to be using live. So select your products is always going to be MT5 standard. All right. Your currency is USD. Your account type is edging and your leverage, we can use 500. Okay. So as you can see, your account has successfully been created, okay? So you've created your account, which is this one right here. So you have your demo $200 and you have your real account $0. So this is where you get to trade real. You put in real money and then you make real money, all right? So if you want to deposit, you click this 3 drop-down menu, right? And then you click deposit under funds. All right. So under funds, you see deposit. So click deposit, and yeah. So what deposited into this account? What currency are we using? I would like to deposit using USDT. Okay, so let me deposit using USDT. You can use USDT. You can use your credit card. Okay, but I want to use USDT. But hold on. Yeah. So I want to use USDT. So I'm going to select my payment method. My payment method, I want to use the second one, which is deposit with USDT TRC 20 Tron. Okay. So I'm just going to choose that. So let's take, for example, you don't have USDT. You want to fund with your card. Okay. So all you have to do is change the currency to USD. All right. Not USDT. All right. Then select your payment method. As you can see, there's Visa, MasterCard, there's Skrill, there's Netella, and then there's bank transfer USD. So if you're in Nigeria or anywhere you are in the world, right, you can literally use your card or you can use a bank transfer. Okay, so it's actually very, very easy. But as a forex girly, as a crypto girly, I always keep my cash in crypto. So I want to use USDT. So let's go ahead to use USDT on this call. So yeah, then I'll click send request. So when I click send request, it's going to send me the address to send the $50 into. So I'm just going to copy this, right? And then I will send the $50. Give me a second. I'm just going to send this very quickly. I'm just going to send this very quick. Okay, hold on. Let me use a faster one. Let me use Binance. Don't worry, you don't have to know how to do all of this once. So don't worry about that. I'm just trying to send into the accounts. All right. Okay. So in no time, they're going to receive this $50. Okay. They're going to receive this $50 very soon. So guys, once you've deposited into your account, you're going to be seeing your money in your dashboard. But this doesn't mean that the money is now in your live account. Okay. So we want to move the money into our life account. But do not forget that I funded with crypto. Okay. I funded with USDT, which is crypto. So I will still have to exchange my crypto back to USD. Okay. But if you used card, then it is automatic USD. But because I use crypto, it is still in crypto. It is not in USD. Okay. So I'm just going to do a quick exchange. All right. I'm going to change from USDT to USD. Okay, so as you can see, from USDT to USD. All right, so I'm going to be entering the amount $50. So this is the amount I want to convert. All right, so I'm going to click exchange. All right, right there. So I've just exchanged it. Now the next thing I want to do is to move what's it called, my USD into my live trading account. So as you can see, I deposited USDT, right, and I did an exchange. So these are the transactions that I've done so far. So if you want to move the money into your live trading account, you click on the account itself, the one with the $0. Click on it. All right, it's going to bring you here, but this is not where we need. Just click the back button on your top left. Okay, once you click the back button on your top left, just scroll down and you're going to see your live account. So the first one here is demo, and then the second one here is your live account. All right, so I want to deposit the $50. So you click deposit. All right, as you can see, it says I already have 50 USD. All right, so I want to deposit it into my trading accounts. All right, so $50, and then I'm just going to transfer, and then I'll click confirm. All right. So successfully transferred. All right. Successfully transferred. So what do I do next? I go back to my dashboard again. All right. And then I'm going to see the $50 in my trading account now. All right. As you can see, I now have $50 here. as my live account, and I have $200 here as my demo account. All right. Now let's connect this trading account to our MetaTrader 5. All right. So I click on the trade. I click on the account again, and it's going to bring me here. So, what does this say? It says MT5 standard USD. All right. USD live edging, and it gave me my login ID. My login ID is 125654593. Okay. What do? I go to my MetaTrader 5 app. All right. Right here, and then I click new account. All right. So what do I search? In case if you're not seeing Quo Markets on your MetaTrader 5 already, all right, there's a search button below. So just click on the search button and search Quo Markets. Make sure you're not typing them together. Okay. They're separate. If you type them together, you might not see it. So click Quo Markets. All right. So my server is straight core server. My login is what? This is my login. 125. So let me copy it instead of typing. So I've just copied my login. 125654593. So I copy here, and then you put in your password. What's your password? Your password is the password that you used when you were creating your Quo Markets account. Okay. So you put it in there, and then you click the sign in button. Okay. You click the sign in button. Oh, it says invalid account. Okay, so if it says invalid account, right, just come back here. So just come back here and click on settings. Okay, come back here, click settings, and then change your password. Master password. Okay, my own password. Continue. So I'm just going to create a new one. So in order for me to create a new one, they've already sent me a code to my email. Okay, so this is the code they sent to my email. All right, so I'm going to create a new password now. All right. Submit. Okay. So now I'm going to be using that password for my new, for my MetaTrader 5. Put in my login, then put in my new password. Then click sign in. All right. There we have it. Now you've connected your account. All right. So whatever happens here on your MetaTrader 5 would always show in your broker. Okay. It would always show in your broker. Okay. Let me go back to the dashboard. So this is my dashboard now. I already have $50 in my trading account, and I already connected it. So this is how to connect your trading account. Okay. Sorry, to connect your broker to your trading account. Trust me, is actually very easy. All right. So I've taught you guys how to create the account. I've taught you guys how to verify. I've taught you guys how to fund your account. And I've also taught you guys how to connect your trading account to your MetaTrader 5. Okay. So the next thing for you to do now is to start trading. All right. I hope this video was very helpful, and I cannot wait to start hearing your success stories. All right. Thank you guys, and do have a lovely night. Bro.